is no go now. You see the enter.
Excellency, it is an honor and a thing of pride to stand before you here today that the 2025 Appropriation Bill #1 is being given assent by your humble self. Your Excellency, in 2024, we witnessed unprecedented growth in River State in various sectors, whether it is in infrastructural development, health, education, social welfare, security. Your Excellency, you have become a beacon of hope to the common man on the street. Your Excellency, the people of River State are indeed very happy with your style of leadership. Your Excellency, some days ago, there was statewide jubilation on the streets of River State because civil servants received a token of 100,000 naira each as Christmas bonus. Your Excellency, this is not the first time you have initiated this very laudable and humane gesture. Your Excellency, you also did same last year. Your Excellency, you went further to approve 85,000 naira minimum benchmark for salaries of civil servants in River State. Excellency, if you show me a prolific leader, I will show you Sir Siminalayi Fubara, Governor. Your Excellency, 2025 promises to be a year of strategic planning and partnership. Your Excellency, we have no doubt that you will carry out the task of developing and delivering the dividends of democracy to every nook and cranny in River State. So, Your Excellency, on behalf of the 10th River State House of Assembly, Your Excellency, we want to say thank you for being the people's governor. And thank you for the strategic partnership with the legislature. Your Excellency, 2025 promises a year of exponential growth in River State. Thank you very much, and God bless you, Your Excellency.
The bill provides service for states for the year ending on the 31st of December 2025. This bill makes up of 12 sections. But for the want of time, I will only dwell on 1 to 7 of those sections, Your Excellency. Section 1 contains amounts which the Accountant General of the state, on the warrant of the governor, may pay out from the Consolidated Revenue Fund of the state, Your Excellency. This amount is 1,808,962,730,932 naira 33 kobo. Your Excellency, this represents the total budget of the state for the 2025 fiscal year. This is a huge long leap from what we used to have in the state before. And it further shows that you are a man that is indeed a progressive. You're a man that if a thing is placed in your hand, it grows and multiplies. Your Excellency, Section 2 and 3, this with the recurrent expenditure totaling 462 billion, 254 million, 153,418 naira 99 kobo. Your Excellency, in the amount appropriated for recurrent expenditure has demonstrated your belief in the slogan that Rivers people comes first. This huge amount will make care of new recurrence increase in amount that will be paid in retirement benefits, etc., which illustrate the great and deep love you, Your Excellency, have for the people of Rivers State. Section 4 and 5 deals with the capital expenditure totaling 678 billion, 88 million, 433,962 naira 3 kobo. Again, the capital expenditure signifies Your Excellency's commitment to ensure infrastructure development cut across all sectors and local governments of the state. Section 6 provides for the sum of 35 billion, 688 million, 864,931 naira 16 kobo. Your Excellency, this from what the House is what you have projected to save for Rivers people, meaning the administration is already saving for our future. Finally, Section 7 provides that the sum of 12 billion, 931 million, 272,809 naira 12 kobo be brought down as a closing balance. Your Excellency, it is my honor to present the 2025 Appropriation Bill for your assent. Thank you.
Gentlemen, let me first thank the Rivers State House of Assembly for doing a very diligent job and also realizing that what we have ahead of us is to continue to work for Rivers people. So I want to thank you for working very, very hard and ensuring that we hit the ground running in this new year. I want to say this, maybe for some persons somewhere who are still mixing up issues. We have only one assembly, and that assembly is headed by Rt Hon Victor Oko-Jumbo. A group of friends they embarked on what they call Sinbad journey. Halfway the vessel, while they were coasting, they now realized that they were entering inside the den of devil and sharks. They now retrieved. It is too late. It is too late. And the truth about it, we're not going back. We've given them enough room. As it stands now, our major target is the interest of Rivers State and to continue to defend the integrity of governance. So long as I'm concerned, we have moved on. Let me thank everyone who has made this very possible. We made a promise to you that we'll continue to keep the interests of Rivers first. So now that this bill has been signed, I can assure you that every projection in it, we will make sure that we kickstart it, so that the record of performance that was accorded this administration in the year 2024 will be higher in this year. Let me thank my management team, that is my ESCO, for all the support, more especially my deputy, and everyone, Commissioner of Finance, Budget, and the Internal Revenue, Acting Internal Revenue Chairman, for the wonderful job they did last year. We expect you to do more, because we'll have a bigger task ahead of us. We have made some promises to our people: education, health, and agriculture. We must make sure we make good impact, just like we've done in the areas of road and other aspects of the economy. Let me on this note thank everyone. Wish you a happy new year, prosperous year ahead of us as we continue the journey of making Rivers State great again.